Unveiling the Marvel, understanding, in awe of. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase that captures our deepest admiration and respect. Have you ever been so impressed or amazed by someone or something that you were at a loss for words? That feeling is what we describe when we say we are in awe of. So, if you're ready to dive into the depths of this expression and use it to express your admiration, let's get started. In awe of is a phrase that consists of 3 simple words, but it carries a profound meaning. To be in awe means to have an overwhelming feeling of reverence, admiration, or fear, caused by something majestic, sublime, or powerful. When you add of after awe, you're indicating the object or person that is causing this feeling. So, when you say you're in awe of someone or something, you're expressing that they inspire an incredible depth of emotion in you. You can use in awe of in various contexts. 1. Nature's majesty. When you see a breathtaking landscape or a stunning natural phenomenon, you might say, I am in awe of this incredible sunset. 2. Remarkable talents. Upon witnessing an outstanding performance or skill, you could express, I am in awe of her singing ability. 3. Respect for achievements. In response to someone's significant accomplishments, it's appropriate to remark, I am in awe of your achievements. Remember, this phrase is used for situations that are truly extraordinary and deserving of your highest respect or admiration. Let's see in awe of in action. Children are often in awe of superheroes because of their powers and heroic deeds. I'm completely in awe of how you managed to solve that complex problem so quickly. The audience was in awe of the magician's stunning performance. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to highlight an exceptional quality or experience that elicits amazement. Sometimes, you might want to use a different phrase to express a similar feeling. Here are a few synonyms: admiring, impressed by, reverent towards, fascinated by, overwhelmed by. Each of these can be used depending on the context and the intensity of the admiration you're trying to convey. That wraps up our journey into understanding in awe of. It's a powerful expression that can help you convey deep respect and admiration in English. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you, and you're now more confident in using it to express your amazement. Until our next English adventure, keep learning and stay curious. Thanks for watching, and we're truly in awe of your dedication to learning.